Okay, so you are going to start off with this blue shade. Make sure that the shade that you get is very close to, if not exactly the same as the shade that I tell you about at the end of this video, because we do want it to be a navy blue. We don't want any bright blues or anything like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to look straight on at yourself, and you're going to take a pencil brush and you are going to start making a line above the crease of your eye. So you're not going to take the pencil brush and stick it right in your crease. You're going to put it above the crease so that when you look straight at people, they will be able to see this line, this blue line. This look is a cut crease, so we do want to be able to see the distinction between the lid color and the crease color. So what I'm doing is I'm just simply making that nice arc above my crease, and then I'm going to curve it up as if it was a wing towards my temple. And then I'm just going back and forth, making sure to really deepen that up. Once it's deep enough, I'm going to take a fluffy brush this time in the same blue shade, and I'm going to blend it out. Make sure that you don't, again, stick this crease brush right into your crease. You want to blend above the blue, so you want to blend it up towards your brows. So as you can see here, it's nice and blended, but it is still distinctly shaped. And later on, we will go back in with that brush and we'll define that a little more later. But now what you're going to do is take a flat packing brush, and you're going to take some concealer and pick up that concealer with the brush, and you're going to carve out your crease, or sorry, your eyelid. So as you can see here, I'm putting that below the blue and making sure to really draw out that line. So again, I'm basically following the blue curve all the way up to the winged part of the blue. Make sure that you are very precise and careful, but again, if you do make mistakes, you can just go back in with your blue and touch it up. So you will do that for both eyes, and then once you finish it, you can go ahead and touch up and make sure that you didn't ruin the blue curve that we have. And you can also make sure here that you make the blue lifts, the blue wings, nice and even. So that's the nice part about this concealer, is you can really shape them the way you want. So make sure that you have a mirror in front of you and you can stand back and really see what you're doing. Now all I'm doing is blending out that blue again a little higher up so that it does look nice and blown out. And then I'm going back in with my pencil brush, as I said earlier, and I am making sure that the line of the blue is still slightly visible, because I do want that distinctly there, but it also needs to be blended. So it's kind of like the blue line is fading, but it's still there. It's not quite gone yet. After you've done all that, you're going to go ahead and pick up with your flat packing brush a shimmery white shade or a cream shade. Again, that will be at the end of the video. And you're going to put this everywhere you put the concealer, and make sure to pull it up just as you did the blue wing, as you saw right there. Now what you're going to do after you have a nice thick layer of that color on so that it is visible, you're going to go ahead and give yourself a wing. You don't want to make the wing so thick that it covers up all of that cream shimmer that we have down, because right here, as you can see, I want to be able to distinctly see a black line, a white line, and a blue line, okay? Basically, our eye makeup is going to look like one giant wing that's comprised of 3 colors. So you don't want your winged liner to be crazy thick, but you do want it to be there. So now I'm taking a makeup wipe and I'm pulling from the edge of my bottom lash line up to my temple to clean up anything that's out of the shape that I want. And as you can see right here, I kind of cut my wings off, but that's okay, because after I touch up my makeup, which as you can see I'm doing right here, because I already have my whole base down, it's up to you whether or not you want to do your base first or after your eye makeup, whatever works for you. I'm taking my winged liner and I'm going to go ahead and pull it up in the shape that I already carved out with my makeup wipe. You don't want to go outside of that. Pull it up towards the blue. Make sure that you don't pull it all the way up to the very tip top of the blue. You just want to make it touch the bottom edge. If that doesn't make sense, just kind of watch what I did. Now I'm taking my pencil brush and I am taking the blue and I'm pulling it all the way to just about not quite all the way to my inner corner. You want to take it about 3/4 of the way, and then on the inner part of your bottom lash line, you're going to take that cream shimmer shade and you're going to put it on your bottom lash line, connecting it to the blue, and then also connect it from your inner corner to your upper lid. So it's going to be on your bottom lid and your inner corner, as you can see right here. So it's touching the blue. Now here my camera cut out, but I went ahead and applied mascara to my top and bottom lashes, and then I took brown stick liner and applied that to my bottom waterline, and then I applied the lip color. That will be again at the end of the video. So this is the final look. Again, you are required to do your eyebrows and your foundation for this look. If Mr. Smith asks that you do anything else, please do so as well.